How to use emoji in Honor of Kings. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can perform emoji in the game. First of all, open the application. So as you can see, I'm already inside the game. Now here on the right top, you can see this message like icon. Simply tap on this message like icon. Now here on the top at the second option, simply tap on this emoji button. So here, these are the emojis that are available. Now you can even accumulate different type of emojis by playing the game and playing the events. So here, in order to perform it, simply tap the one that you want to perform. So here on the top, you can see it has been shown. So you can use this to even tease other enemies and even your friends. So emojis are more fun in the game. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.